everyone. Welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Okay, we have a fun day here. So let me show you what we're going to do. First, we're going to do circle time, and that's where we sing hello and good morning to everyone. Then we're going to say a really fun story together. After that, I have a fun Halloween song to sing. Then we'll have a special activity to make together. And then the goodbye song. All right, friends, so let's start here. Get your hand ready. We're going to wave and say good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so glad you're here today. All right, that is our circle time. So I'm going to take that down. And now we are going to I don't have the book of it, but we can still say a story together. And we did this one last week when we were learning about pumpkins. It's 5 little pumpkins. So you can put up your 5 fingers and they sit on a gate. So you can hold up your arm like this and this can be the gate. Okay? It goes like this. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, can you hold up one finger? Oh my, it's getting late. The second one said, point up to the sky, there are witches in the air. The third one said, hold up 3 fingers, but we don't care. The fourth one said, let's run and run and run. Can you pretend to run? The fifth one said, I'm ready for some fun. Ooh, went the wind and out went the light, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Can you roll your arms like this? They rolled all the way. Oh my goodness, I love that story. It's one of my favorite ones. Okay, friends, so story's done. I'm going to take that down. And now I have a really fun song about Halloween. And do you see Miss Jessica's wearing some Halloween colors? I have my Halloween necklace. It's orange. And I'm wearing black. It's like orange and black day. All right, here's my song, and it has some pictures I'm going to show you too. It goes like this. Let's see if I can find a jack-o'-lantern first. Here's a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern, smiling bright, smiling bright, smiling bright. Witches flying in the night. It's Halloween. Ghosts and goblins. Cats and bats, cats and bats, cats and bats, witches in their funny hats. It's Halloween. Isn't that cool, friends? There was a jack-o'-lantern smiling bright and witches flying in the night. You might see witches on Halloween. And there were ghosts and goblins. Ooh, those are scary looking goblins. Ooh. And cats and bats and witches in their funny hats. Oh, those are funny hats. Oh my goodness, friends, that is a funny song about Halloween. All right, and now I'm going to show you a fun activity that you could try at your house. Let me show you everything that you'll need. You'll need a scissors. Now, this is my big grown-up scissors. If you have kid scissors at home that are like this, kind of smaller, that would be great if you're going to try cutting, because we're going to cut for this special activity. We're going to make something. But if you don't have kid scissors at home, that's okay. You could have a grown-up at your house use their grown-up scissors, and they can do the cutting for you. And you need a white... This is a crayon, actually. It's called a Twistable. So you could get a white crayon or a white colored pencil and a glue stick. And then some paper. What color is this paper? Orange. Yeah, you need orange paper and you need this color paper. What color is this paper? Black, yes. Okay, so that's all the things that you need. If you want to pause the video right now and go get those things, you can. All right, if you're ready, we're going to get started. So first, you are going to have a grown-up cut you, or you can try cutting, a black circle. Ooh, and we're going to use our glue stick. Now, to open your glue stick, you got to pull sometimes really hard to take the cap off. And now, friends, sometimes when I open my glue stick, my glue goes really far down. And to make it go up a little bit, we twist it like this. Now, you don't want to twist it so the glue goes up, 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 up. You don't want it really high because then it's going to crack and then you have a broken glue. So you just want to twist it so just a little bit comes up, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put some glue on our black circle. And this is the song I like to sing when I'm putting glue on. 1, 2, 3, that's enough glue for me. All right, I think that's enough glue. So I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put the circle right here in the middle of my orange paper and I'm going to pat it down. Sometimes I even like to count to 5 when I'm pushing down to make sure it really sticks. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now it sticks. Next, you are going to have a grown-up cut you another black circle, but this time they can make a zigzag line across it for you, okay? And you can take your kid's scissors, or I'm going to take my grown-up scissors, and we are going to cut on the line, okay? Now, this is really good practice if you've never cut before, so that you will be all ready for 4K or kindergarten. You might have to do some cutting. So it's really good practice to practice at home. Now I cut on that zigzag line. So now look, I have 2 wings. I wonder what we're making. This is kind of a surprise, isn't it? So I'm going to take one wing and I'm going to put some glue on the back of it again. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, that's enough glue for me. And I'm going to put one of the wings over here on this side. And I'm going to push it down so it stays. And then I'm going to take the other wing and I'm going to put some glue just on this side actually. And I'm going to push it down. Oh my goodness, friends, do you see what it's turning into? Oh boy. Now, I cut some shapes. What shape is this? Is it a circle? No. Is it a square? No. Is it a triangle? Yeah, it's a triangle. And I have 2 triangles. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of them. 1, 2, 3. That's enough glue for me. And I'm going to put one up here. Oh boy, that's looking good. And now the other one, I'm putting some, oh, you can't see, put some glue on. And push it on. Oh boy. And now I'm going to take special stickers. And your family might have stickers like this. I found these at the dollar store. So maybe you have some of these at your house. They're just stickers. I just have to peel them off with my pincher fingers. And I'm going to push them on right here and right here. Oh my goodness. And now I'm going to take my white twistable crayon and I'm going to draw a happy face. And friends, what do you think I made? Something you might see a lot at Halloween time. It's a bat. Oh my goodness, a scary, spooky bat. Oh, fun, friends. We used all different shapes to make it. 2 circles and 2 triangles to make a bat. That is so fun. All right, friends, we are all done with that. So now we're going to sing the goodbye song. Okay, now remember, you can use your hands to do the actions at home. And it goes like this. See you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe 2, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo. And to make a hippo, you go like this. Chow, chow, oh brown cow, see ya soon, baboon. Adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish. Chop, chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton. Bye, bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake. Our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Goodbye, friends. We'll see you next time.